Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a cylindrical vessel with internal diameter of 10 centimeter and the height is 10.5 centimeter is full of water, and a solid cone base diameter is 7 centimeter and height as 6 centimeter is completely immersed in water. So here we need to find the volume in two different ways, like water is displaced out of the cylindrical vessel and find the volume water left in the cylindrical vessel. So first we need to find the volume of a cylindrical vessel, which is nothing but the volume of water, and then find the volume of cone as well, solid cone. So the volume of a cylinder or cylindrical vessel is equals to, the formula to find the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and this is also called as volume in the volume of water. Okay, see here the dimensions are the given dimensions are the diameter of the cylindrical vessel is 10 centimeter, so which is radius means 5 centimeter then, and the height of the tower, height of the water is height of the cylindrical is 10.5 and pi value is 22/7. So now if you plug these values into the formula, we'll get volume of cylinder or volume of water is equals to pi. So pi value is 22/7, so 22/7 into r square is 5 square, and h value is 10.5. so if we simplify this, we'll get 22 into 25 into 10.5 divided by 7. If we simplify this, we will get 825 cubic centimeters. So this is the volume of water or volume of cylinder. Now find the volume of cone. The volume of cone formula is 1/3 pi r square h, pi r square h. See here the dimensions of cone are given as the diameter is 7 centimeter, so d is equals to 7 centimeter, which means radius becomes 3.5 centimeters, and the height of the cone is 6 centimeter, and pi is equals to 22/7. If you substitute these values into the formula, we'll get volume is equals to 1/3 into 22/7 into 3.5 whole square into 6. So we have v is equals to 21 as a 22 into 3.5 whole square is nothing but 12.25 into 6 divided by 3 into 7. So v is equals to, if we simplify this, we will get the volume of cone is 77 centimeter cube. Now find the volume of water displaced out of the cylindrical vessel. So the volume of water displaced is nothing but the volume of the solid cone. So the volume of the water displaced out of the cylindrical vessel is 77 cubic centimeters, and The volume of water in the cylindrical vessel is the volume of water left is equals to the volume of water minus volume of cone or volume of water displaced, so which is 825 minus 77, which is 748 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of water left in the cylindrical vessel. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.